Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kethan. Today we will start the new chapter, Reproduction in Plants. All living organisms have lifespan, after which they die. However, all living organisms are able to produce more of their own kind. Similarly, plants, they also reproduce their own kind. So what is this reproduction? Reproduction is the process in which living organisms give birth to an offspring which is same or similar. Reproduce means to produce the similar one. So in plant, reproduction occurs in the two ways. The first one is asexual reproduction and the second one is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. As the name given, asexual means without sex. In asexual reproduction, the reproduction takes place without sex organs, means does not involve gametes. In asexual reproduction, only the different parts of plant reproduce their own kind. In asexual reproduction, the parts of parent body give birth to the new organism. In asexual reproduction, the asexual reproduction occurs in the four ways: vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding and spore formation. Asexual reproduction occurs in the four ways: vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding and spore formation. We start with the process of budding. This is a picture of yeast. Yeast is a fungus and it reproduces by the budding process. As you see in the picture, there are the buds. The buds are formed, different types of buds are formed on the parent's body. What is budding? In budding, a small part of body of the parent plant grow out as bulb-like projection called bud, which then detach from the detach, it means separate. It becomes separate from the parent plant and form the new plant. Yeast reproduced by budding. In yeast, first a bud appear on the outside of the cell wall. The nucleus of the parent yeast cell then divide into two parts and the one part of the nucleus move into the bud. Ultimately, the bud separate from the parent yeast cell and the new yeast cell are formed. As you are seeing in the picture, this is the parent yeast. Now here the bud is formed and the nucleus is divided into the new bud. The bud which is arise, the nucleus is also divided into the new yeast cell, and when the yeast cell divide from the parent plant, it separate, and in this way it reproduce their own kind. In the similar way, Hydra, which is an organism of fresh water, it also produced by budding process. Here the bud is produced. Here the bud is produced on the parent plant. The bud is produced on the parent plant. At the time of asexual reproduction, the bud is produced, and when it get detached from the parent plant, the new plant grow.